Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the aligned health sciences. In my previous video, I already explained about the medicine and what are the courses we can take in medicine. Now let's see what are the courses in aligned health sciences. So the first course is B Pharma. Means what? It's a Bachelor of Pharmacy. This the year of duration is 4 years, and in this what will be there? So like how drugs are made and how they will be working, and how they are used, and what is the effect for the human body by using these drugs. So everything related to this will be there in this Bachelor of Pharmacy. And next course is BSc Nursing. So what is BSc Nursing? And this duration is also for 4 years, and it's like a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And by this we can become a qualified nurse. Okay, by this we can become a qualified nurse. So generally the work will be like patient care in the hospitals, clinics, and community health settings. So like helping the patients. Okay, and monitoring the patient's health, and educating the like patients how to do and what tablets we have to take time to time. So this work will be there. And next one is BOT, occupational therapy. So this will be 4.5 years duration, and 4 years will be education academics, and 6 months will be the internship. You have to do mandatory internship. So this course mainly focus on to improve the quality of life after the injuries and illness or any disability. So if a patient comes with an injury in accident example, so how we can cure, how we can improve their quality. So that will be there in this. Or like helping the people of all ages. It can be anything like daily activities like dressing them, or eating, or writing, working. So in these cases, like helping the patients. So some patients will be facing some problem like mentally and physical challenged peoples will be there. So like that patients, to help their patients, so we can take this course. Next one is a BSc anesthesia technology. So this will be for 3 to 4 years and 6 to 12 months of internship, which is very mandatory internship. So what is anesthesia? So during the surgeries and other medical procedures, so to reduce the pain, we will be using the anesthesia. So in this, so they will be the students who studied this BSc anesthesia, they can handle the anesthesia machines and equipments and support the patients. So under the operation. Next one is BSc cardiac technology. So this will be also of 3 to 4 years and 6 to 12 months of internship. So in this they will be doing some diagnosis and treating heart related conditions. So the patients who are coming with the heart problem, so basically they will choose this one. So yeah, so they can monitor and record the heart functions and how this is happening, like ECG, you all know. So by this you can do this one, and you can operate the cardiac machines is like heart machines. So who are suffering from heart problems, so they can go for this. So to cure the heart related problems, you can choose. So next one is BSc lab technology, or we can say technician. So this will be of 3 to 4 years and 6 months to 1 year internship. So in this what they will be doing? So they will be performing a laboratory test. So like behind the scenes in the hospitals and labs, what are the scenes are there behind the hospital? So they will be doing some test. So, and one more thing, this is highly demanded in hospital. Why? Because to enter into the hospital, first you have to know what is the condition of your body. So to know your condition of the body, you have to take some laboratory test. So that one this is. So like samples, they will be using some blood samples and tissues like this, etc. Next, BSc radio technician. So radiotherapy technician. So this will be also 3 to 4 years of duration of academics, and this is the radiation therapy. Means what? The like radiation treatment for the patients. So for mainly the cancer patients will be taking this radiation treatment. Okay, yeah. So the next course is BSc clinical optometry. So this is also for 3 to 4 years and 1 year of internship. So this will be of eye care professionals. So to become an eye care professional, we can choose this course. And vision problems. So the patients who are coming with the vision problems and eye related problems. Okay. Next one is BSc Nuclear Medicine. So and this will be also for the 3 to 4 years and 6 to 12 months of internship. So in this they will be focusing on treatment of like diseases, like it can be the cancer disease or heart related or neurological disorders. So what is the neurological disorders? Like nerves and spinal cord, which will be affecting the brain, like these problems. So the patients who are coming with these problems can we can solve like these problems. So to perform or to cure the nucleological disorders, we can choose this career if you are interested in this. Next one is BSc Operation Theater. Sorry. So this will be also for 3 to 4 years of academics and 6 to 12 months of internship. So what will be the work of this? So in surgery operations, like managing the operation theater, handling the surgical instruments which are there, equipments, and preparing before the operation, like before the surgery. So we'll be making all ready for the surgery. So that will be there. And handling the instruments to the surgeon. So who are doing the operations or surgeries, to handle them or to help them, giving the instruments which are required for this procedure of operating. So this all will be there. And like post operation care and cleanup, everything they will be doing. So by taking this course. Next one is BSc Physician Assistant. So this is also of 3 to 4 years of academics. In name only it suggests that it will be work under the supervision of doctors and surgeons. So it will be like help the medical procedures who are doing, the surgeons who are doing the operation or surgery, we have to help them. So that will be the treating, the planning, performing some minor surgeries. Okay, taking the patient's history. So what is the history of patient, like what is the condition of the patients? Okay, monitoring the patient simply. So next one is BSc Respiratory Care. So this will be also for 3 to 4 years. So what will be there in this? Like they will be treating and care the patients with breathing problems. So the patients who are coming with the breathing problem, and manage the ventilators and oxygen therapy for the critical patients who are coming who are whose patient is in the critical level or critical position. So for them, doing the treatment, like managing everything, and so they will be caring the patients who are coming with the breathing problems. Okay, yeah, these courses are involved in aligned health sciences. And we have one more thing also, which is paramedical. So in this also they have some courses. I'm going to explain this thing also. So the first course is diagnosis technician, so we can say DT in short. So in this they will be helping the patients with the kidney failure. So the patients who are coming with the kidney failure or some kidney disease, who are suffering from the kidney diseases. So the main role of this doctors is hemodialysis treatment. Means what? So what is the diagnosis? Like filtering the waste and excess fluid in the blood. So the waste and what is the excess fluid and which is not necessary to our body. So and our mainly for our blood. So to remove that will be doing the dialysis generally. So that one. So in this also mainly the three courses are involved. So the first one is certificate course in DT, which is the diagnosis technician. This will be for the 6 months to 1 year. And the diploma course in this DT, which will be for 1 year to 2 years. And BSc course in this DT only, which is 3 years plus 6 months to 1 year of internship. So these three are the courses which are involved in this. You can choose which one you are interested. Next one is ECG technician, which is electrocardiogram. Okay, electrocardiogram. So in this they will be performing the diagnosis test that helps the doctor to take which thing we have to go further. So they will be doing some diagnosis test. like for heart problems like heart attacks, so many heart attacks, some patients will be coming from many heart attacks. For that we have to do some ECG test. For that it will be helpful for the doctors to go what is the problem of the patient, so that we can go further what is the treatment for that. So for that procedure we have to do some test. So that is the diagnosis test which they will be doing, the ECG technician people. So similarly in this also there are three courses, which is certificate which is 6 months to 1 year, and diploma in this ECG technician which is 1 to 2 years, and BSc in this ECG which is for 3 years, and one internship. Okay, yeah. So next one is X-ray technician. So in this X-ray technician, and so what is the like what is the work of them? Like they will be performing the diagnosis imaging using the X-rays, okay, and X-ray machines. So what will be the image? Like it will be the image of the patient's injuries. Like if the patient is coming with some injuries or infections or any disease, so we have to do some X-rays. So to know what is there inside the body, okay, what is it inside the body, internal structure of the body, so to know what happened internally. So for that people will be doing some X-rays, so that work. And this in this also there are three courses, which is certificate of X-ray technician which is 6 months to 1 year, and diploma in the X-ray technician which is 1 to 2 years, and in the BSc in the X-ray which is will be 3 years. The duration will be same in all these four. Next one is operation theater technician, which we can say OT, since simple. So what will be doing in this? So they will be maintaining and preparing the operation theater. So like which I said before only, like they will be helping the surgeons and doctors in the surgery. Like they will be giving the instruments and equipment, and they will be running all the machines, and they will be following the guidelines of the procedures what the surgeon is doing. So everything they will be beside the doctor, and they will be helping the doctor for the operation. So this is also for the three courses. In this also there will be having the three courses, and certificate of operation theater technician which is 6 months to 1 year course, and even diploma which is 1 to 2 years, and BSc in this operation theater which will be 3 years plus internship. So these are the courses in this paramedicine. And that's it for this video. I think you got some clarity to choose which course you're interested. So by this you can choose any one of the course, which field you're interested, you can go to that field. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.